Hi family and friends, it's Miss P. I hope you all had an amazing weekend. The weather was beautiful, so I hope you had the opportunity to go outside and play. Please read along with me as I read the morning message. Good morning, friends. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. We will have Spanish or gym today. You get to pick. Your word family is IG. You are loved. Love, Miss P. To start off our morning message, let's practice together counting by tens to 120. Last week we were able to count to 110. Let's see if we can raise it to 120. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and 120. Let's repeat that one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. If you were able to count along with me at home, pat yourself on the back, because that's a good job. Now let's review what a CVC word means. The C in CVC stands for consonant, and the V stands for vowel. Who can tell me the 5 different vowels in the alphabet? Let's review them. A, E, I, O, and U. Say this along with me. A, E, I, O, and U. When you're looking at a CVC word, the vowel is always squished in between 2 different consonants. It's kind of like a meat sandwich. So you have the 2 consonants, which is the 2 sides of the bread of a sandwich, and then the meat stands as the vowel in a sandwich. So the bread is pushing up against the meat, just like the consonants are pressing up against the vowel in a CVC word. Now let's review what a syllable is. Remember how I taught you that a syllable is the sounds that a word has. So let's look at our first example, pizza. How many syllables or sounds is in the word pizza? We can figure this out by clapping. Pizza. I clapped 2 times. Can you practice with me? Pizza. If you clapped 2 times, pat yourself on the back. That means that pizza has 2 syllables or 2 sounds in it. Now I want you to practice at home the example of rainbow. Rainbow. Do this along with me. Rainbow. If you clapped 2 times, pat yourself on the back, because so did I, and that means that rainbow has 2 syllables in it. I want you to practice this one at home. Sun. How many times are you going to clap for sun? Give it a try. Go ahead. Perfect. So let's see. Let's do this together. Sun. I clapped 1 time. Let's try again. Sun. If you clapped 1 time, pat yourself on the back. Good job. Let's look at our last example. We have elephant. Elephant has how many syllables or sounds? Let's try this one together. Elephant. One more time. Elephant. I clapped 3 times. How many times did you guys clap? If you clapped 3 times, pat yourself on the back, because that means that elephant has 3 syllables or 3 sounds in it. Now we're going to head on over to our daily schedule for May 4th, 2020 to the language arts section. Today we are going to have a language arts lesson with Miss P, myself. If you want, I encourage you to review this morning message one more time, and when you're finished, meet me over at the language arts lesson.